Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing y'all a little before room tour of my room at my fiance's house. I would say it's like a closet, home office, makeup room slash guest room all in one, but all of the pieces that are in there right now are just things that I've brought over from my old house that I live in now with my parents, or just things that I've accumulated, but I will definitely be doing some updates to it soon, so I wanted to go ahead and do a before video of it before I did some changes to it so that I knew what it looked like before. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So here is the door to my beauty guest room, study room, I don't know. So we're just walk in. Here's what it looks like. I guess I could turn the light on so it's a little brighter in here. So let me give you a quick overview. Here's what it looks like. Then we'll dig into things a little deeper. I'm going to go ahead and start with the desk tour. So I have this chair here right now, and it's really cute. I actually got them on Marketplace on Facebook from someone for like $20 a piece, which is insane because it's in like perfect condition. But I am going to paint the legs on it because I don't like the brown. I'm either going to do gold or some sort of light pink. So this is the chair that's in here. Then this desk I actually got from Big Lots, and it's like a farmhouse desk. I think it's super cute. It's got the little farmhouse X's on the side. Then it's got two drawers, and we'll go ahead and look at the desk. So inside this drawer is nothing fancy. Ray Dunn notebook. This one, I teach tomorrow's later, is kind of a big deal. I got this from my future sister-in-law, Malia. Super cute. Then I've got a little dictionary and then some more little notebooks that just like have my name on it. This was from my Aunt Faye, and then that one's also from Malia. So let's look into the next drawer. Like I said, I haven't really done a lot of organizing in here. There's a receipt from Big Lots, and then these boxes, which I used to have my Cora's Den necklaces in these, but they're empty now because I've got my Cora's Den necklaces somewhere else. Y'all just ignore that I have one fake nail on. That is so embarrassing. I cannot get it off. Then here's the rest of the desk tour. This I got for Christmas this year. It's in my What I Got for Christmas video from my parents from TJ Maxx. I won this at a Dirty Santa. I don't remember who that's from. Might be from Lindsay. That lamp is from Walmart. The important thing is Ray Dunn. The right thing is also Ray Dunn, and there's Ray Dunn pins in there. I don't remember who that's from either. That is from my mom. It's just a dance picture from high school. This container is Ray Dunn. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, and it holds all my different pens, pencils. This is from one of my best friends, Hannah, Ray Dunn, and then this gold stapler that I spray painted gold. And then the last thing is this garland, which I also got from Hobby Lobby one year. Like I said, this is very raw, unedited, like not unedited, but I have not yet to like clean things out. This is just how I organized it when he first moved in here, and I haven't really done anything to it since. So I just figured I'd go ahead and do a tour before I decide to rearrange things. So up here I've got this little tray. It's like a desk tray. This is one of the Cora's Den necklaces I was talking about. Erasers, jewels. This is just random things. Then I have this big heart-shaped little mine sun from my mom. This is a Ray Dunn jewelry organizer for necklaces and bracelets. This is a supplies bag, Ray Dunn. Some random candles, a Bath & Body Works candle. These random signs, like a teaching sign. This is all of my essential oils in here. My mom made me this thing, if you can dream it, you can do it, and it just holds all of my oils. My Aunt Roma made me this XOXO sign from Hobby Lobby, I believe. And then these Lily Pulitzer mugs that I got one year from my brother for Christmas. This drawer is just pajamas and house slippers, just random nightwear things. This drawer is literally just a ton of socks. Like, I have so many socks. Ask me why I have this many socks. I have no idea. This drawer is full of a ton of like sweatshirts, t-shirts, so many like that are not necessary but I can't get rid of, so I just keep them in here. This drawer is bra and underwear, so I'm not going to open that one. And then this one is a ton of shorts, like an unnecessary amount of shorts. So that's what's in the drawers. Then I have this shelf over here, which is also very random. Up top, I've got this printer that's pink. And then this Girl Boss sign that I got from Hobby Lobby, have yet to do anything with. And then this like cheetah thing that opens up that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. Have not done anything with that either. Down here, I've got this thing that I painted white. It used to be pink. Holds pens and pencils. This also holds pens, pencils, then some supplies back there. My bling, tape, and stapler. This is like a letter holder, but I've got some notebooks in it. I don't even know what that is. A wifey Rae Dunn mug that I'll eventually get to use when I'm a wifey. This thing has got some supplies in it. This is from Nana, and then this thing is like a necklace holder, and then nothing's on the bottom shelf. Then we come over to the guest bed, and I've got nightstands on each side that match. I do have the matching bed at home, but I currently use it at my parents' house, and once we get married, I will bring that bed over here, and I won't need this one anymore, so that I'll have all of the mirrored furniture, and then I'll also have the dresser as well, which I could put over there or something. Anywho, this is just random boxes and stuff, and then I've got this nightstand. I've got a picture of some of my friends from Texas over here. Then I've got a lotion and spray, and then this lamp, which is from, I want to say, TJ Maxx. I don't think there's anything in here. Yeah, a bag. Then here's the bed. Here's what the frame looks like. I think it's really cute. I love the top of the frame. I think it's awesome. That mirrored picture up there, hey, you can probably see me. I look so rough right now, but that is from my fiance's mom. Then this pillow I recently got at Hobby Lobby, maybe Target, I think Target, also Target, the black furry one I don't know, and then that winter one I need to get rid of. This bedspread is from Walmart. It was very inexpensive, and then I've had this leopard blanket forever. Then on this side of the bed, I have this pink kennel. Yes, my dog is a boy, but I used to use it for my Chihuahua Mimi, but she's really my mom, so I just put my dog Toby in there whenever we leave the house, and it does have a camo blanket in there. Like I said, he's a boy. Then some house slippers, and then another side table. I've got this picture of Clint on there. That's him from like high school. The same lamp on the other side, and then this pink gnome, and then some pictures down there of lips, I don't even know, and then me, and then I don't know if there's anything in this drawer or not. Nope. Then over here is another cubicle thing. There's some binders down there, some paper. I don't think there's anything in any of these cubes, so I'm not going to even open them. Then this is my Magellan cooler that I love. Random sunglasses case and a phone case. And then this is an earring board. This is not even half of my earrings. These are just the random ones that I leave over here and I end up sticking up here. But yeah, just some random earrings. Like I said, those are Cora's Den, the ones that have my monogram on them. So, and then last but not least is my closet, and then this little cart, rolly cart that Clint put together for me that I'm going to use in my classroom eventually. I don't know why I put it together, just wanted to see what it would look like. But yeah, that's there. I've also got a white one somewhere, and then this is my closet with a mirror on it that I can see my outfits in. So I'll just open it really quickly and give y'all an overview. Not going to go into the details of my closet. So as you can see, it is a very big closet. Well, it has a lot of room, but not a lot of like rack space. I don't know how to explain it. I have most of my clothes at my parents' house because I still live there. But I have brought some things over here that I don't need at the moment. There's like a ton of Lily clothes, UGG shoes, yeah, just random stuff. Like shoes that I'm not wearing at the moment, wintry things, container things, but yeah. So that is everything. Hope y'all enjoyed getting to see all of this. Thank y'all so much for sticking around. I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. And like always, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!